हे गाइस, आज के वीडियो में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट इंटरनेशनल मास्टर्स इन इंटीरियर आर्किटेक्चर के बारे में। और इस टॉपिक को कवर करने के लिए मैंने एक इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट किया है और इस इंटरव्यू में हम लोग हर वो पॉइंट कवर करने वाले हैं जो आपको रिक्वायर्ड रहेगा बिफोर अप्लाइंग फॉर दिस कोर्स। जैसे कि आपकी फ़ीस कितनी होने वाली है, आपको एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम कैसे क्रैक करना है, क्या क्या चीज़ें इंपॉर्टेंट होती है इसके अंदर, ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस कैसा होगा और कौन कौन से कंट्रीज़ के ऑप्शंस हैं आपके लिए। ये सारी चीज़ों को हम लोग कवर करने वाले हैं, इसलिए पूरा वीडियो एंड तक देखिएगा। और गाइस, अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ कंसीडर सब्सक्राइबिंग टू माय चैनल, बिकॉज मैं इसी तरीके से आर्किटेक्चर रिलेटेड वीडियोस और टॉपिक कवर करता रहता हूँ। सो गाइस, कंसीडर सब्सक्राइबिंग टू माय चैनल एंड सपोर्ट अ फेलो आर्किटेक्ट। एंड गाइस, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वीडियो।
ये रखेगा मॉडल इधर।
सो हाय गाइस, मेरा नाम है सारांश सिंह एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल आर्की व्लॉग्स। आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट मास्टर्स ऑफ इंटीरियर आर्किटेक्चर फ्रॉम सेप्ट। और हमारे साथ एक स्पेशल गेस्ट भी है, ऋतुजा सावंत, जिन्होंने अपना मास्टर्स कंप्लीट कर लिया है ऑलमोस्ट। थोड़े कुछ महीने बाकी है उनके। एंड सो आई वुड लाइक टू वेलकम हर ऑन आवर शो। सो वेलकम ऋतुजा।
थैंक यू। हेलो सारांश।
ओके, ठीक है। हम लोग ने बहुत बात कर चुके हैं पहले इसके बारे में, हम लोग ने काफ़ी रिहर्सल भी कर ली है, तो या इट्स ओके। सो एनीवेज, हम लोग बहुत लोगों से सुनते हैं कि मास्टर्स इन अर्बन डिज़ाइन, मास्टर्स ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर, बट यू हैव चोजन इंटरनेशनल मास्टर्स इन इंटीरियर आर्किटेक्चर। सो व्हाट इज़ डिफरेंट इन दिस एंड लाइक क्या होता है एंड इंटरनेशनल क्या फैक्टर है इसके अंदर?
इनिशियली आई वाज लाइक कि अभी मुझे आर्किटेक्चर से इतना एक्सपोजर या उतना जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी या एक्सप्लोरेशन नहीं मिल रहा था। सो आई लुक्ड फॉर ऑप्शंस वेयर आई कुड लाइक आई ऑलवेज हैड दिस कि मुझे स्पेस प्लानिंग में इंटरेस्ट है। सो आई डिडंट वांट टू कम्प्लीटली गो इनटू इंटीरियर्स। आई वांटेड समथिंग व्हिच वाज अ ब्लेंड ऑफ बोथ। सो दिस कोर्स वाज समथिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ गेव मी एक्सपोजर टू अ स्मॉल स्केल आर्किटेक्चरल like projects, how to deal with it. And about the international thing, I get to do like a semester outside, so you get like an exploration. You know how world really works outside, what is their design philosophy, so you kind of explore and kind of get inspired, obviously, because we had an option for like 3 countries. So out of that, one was Switzerland, one was a tie-up with Turkish, and one was German HFT. So I opted for Germany. Okay. So all these 3 countries are pretty rich. Like Europe, is pretty rich in their culture, yeah. And they have like a lot of architectural stuff. Yeah. So in that way, I thought, okay, I would also get to travel. Of course, we need to travel. So I thought, like, by traveling and kind of grasping what is in and around also kind of helps you how their education works, and you can compare both. So in a way, I got to interact with a lot of people from there.
Okay.
So learn how their design philosophy is. It kind of broadens your perspective towards design. So that's why I chose this.
Okay, so if you guys want something that has international exposure also, and you want something that blends with interior design plus architecture, as you know, many of the architects out here are practicing interior design rather than doing architecture. So yeah, doing interior design or getting know to how to interior design, or like even with the blend of architecture, so that's a good thing for you guys. So ये एक चीज़ है. And I wanted to ask कि what was the selection process, like how did you get into SEPT? And I have heard कि वहाँ पे entrance exam होता है, some kind of selection interview is there. So how it goes?
Actually, initially for this course we had an interview system, but for this right now we don't have. So what we do is we send our portfolios, and if your portfolio gets selected, you're asked to come for a second round, which is an time-tested examination. So there's no particular pattern to prepare for it because it changes every year. Okay. But all I could say was it is a time-based exam to crack with logics of basic design, or it's very logical. It's nothing कि design के इस हिसाब से ही है या फिर ये. I think the only keyword to crack this exam is time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So only you have to figure out like to manage
Yeah,
time
because
and
it's
everything.
it's really tricky, and to finish the paper in that limited time is a challenge in itself.
Acha, how did you prepare for it?
I had because I did not have a very specific like they don't follow a specific pattern for every year. So I kind of went through a lot of general knowledge, or say these NATA sort of exams in general. So those sort of things. Then a lot of sketching you have to practice, because there are these time based logical sketching. It's not like कि, okay, memory drawing है, but it is
Like,
very
can you explain a question जो आया था, like if you remember something? Like I know it has been a long time, but
I mean, yeah, one was this was a like less weightage one, but this was very abstract. So they give you like these 2-3 elements, out of which you could like supposingly it was a flower, it was an animal, like we had a gorilla. So it was on you how you could translate it into an architectural element by getting inspired by, suppose it's quality, or say it's shape, orientation.
so you have to make a
derive.
concept based on an animal
Yeah, it
or
was-
thing or anything.
They give you these animals or whatever,
Okay.
and then you had to like come up with an architectural element out of it. So these were the things. So you had to like sketch, or probably, and it should be such that कि वो एक instance में पता चले कि okay ये इससे बनी है.
Okay.
So that was the thing.
So in short, like we have to show them, like they just test us ki, like how we perceive architecture and
Yes.
what we can do, how creative we are.
How creative you are,
Yeah.
how quick you are in analysis also.
Yeah, and using some elements or something in an concept. Okay.
A lot of abstraction, very minute kind of weightage is there for, say, a mathematical problem, but that's very rare.
Okay.
But yeah, it was a part of it. And there were these if you had to there were these observing, say, scenarios, out of which you had to like crack those questions which were given and give it in an illustrative answer to it.
Okay.
So these were also something which was, there are two sets of paper. So one, it was in the morning, the other one was later.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you have to stay there like properly for a.
No, for a day, it was a day's time, but it was like कि morning में एक paper and then evening में there was,
Okay.
afternoon में there was one.
And both the papers में difference क्या था?
That the first was very objective oriented, like फटाफट करने वाला, and these
Okay.
other ones were like say 25 marks के major ones, which
Okay.
which required a lot of analysis and illustrative answers to it, whereas the other paper was very like you tick कर सकते हैं, या फिर you have these options given,
Okay.
which could be like quickly solved. So
And how many people were like sitting with you for this exam?
I think around 100 people who were listed,
Okay.
and then we were given
Oh,
this,
acha, okay.
who were selected in the
You
second
got
round.
into,
Yeah. Out of which then they select like 18 people.
Oh. So your batch was like 18.
Yeah.
Only 18 people in
Yes.
your batch. Okay, so this is one surprising. Only 18 seats are there as of now. So I think so. It's a good course. You can see to it. Something very different than architecture also, and it has amalgamation of like both.
Both. It's not like people have this illusion कि interior is just like okay तुमको say mood boards या ये सब set करना है. It's more about how you design space and interpret a space rather than just decorating a space. There's a huge difference between decorating a space and designing a space. Is
Yeah.
what you need to like understand the fine border between
Yeah.
that. So that's something
Yeah,
that
that's the difference between interior designers and architects. Yeah.
Yeah.
We design the space, not only decorate it. Yeah. So समझ में आ गया ना कि क्या difference है architects और interior design में. Anyways, I will be making one more video. What is the difference between architect, a contractor, an interior designer and a civil engineer? Because बहुत लोगों को आजकल वो misconception हो गया कि सब एक ही है. बहुत ज़्यादा difference होता है ये सब चीज़ों में.
There's also what I have done is an IMEAD course, and then there's one more course which is an MID course, which I wasn't really aware initially, but it has the same entrance exam, so they also have 18 seats, so they do not get to go international.
Okay.
But the only part is that
In NID.
no, INSEPT only.
Incept. Okay.
MID is Masters in Interior Design.
Okay.
So they have similar, like they almost have the same
Okay.
learning process. 3 semesters are same. Only one semester where they don't go international, they do like a vertical studio or something like that. So yeah.
Okay. And do you know anything about the other courses?
There are a lot of options, to be honest. Like there are 4 major faculties actually, like FA, that's like faculty of architecture management, then there's design, in which I am. So I'll majorly talk about design because I am well versed with that. So we have like these four major courses, that was this IMEI and MID, which are almost same. And then there's furniture design. So people don't really know about it, at least in Bombay. Other states, I kind of came to know that they are well versed with it. But furniture design is something which was very interesting also. Like people design furniture, they execute it, because CEPT has this amazing workshop. So they kind of make their own furniture, and it's been like they kind of exhibit it, and they kind of get to have this like different opportunity to showcase their work. And also they literally go to like the most minute possible detail also to construct, design an entire set of furniture. So that's also another good course. And then there was BPS, which is building product system, so where they kind of design these building construction different elements regarding that. So you'll get like a brief about it on the website, but this is something also which was very interesting if you really like, say, construction and design, when you want to blend both of these. So this was a good option also.
So this is something new that even I didn't know about, but this is something new, and I think so you can learn a lot from it. And I think so एक last question I'll ask her कि how was your total experience, and do you recommend people taking up this course, and क्या fees थी? Like last question होगा ये.
Okay.
Start with the fees.
Yeah.
And tell us about your experience overall कैसा था, and should people take it, and like what people, like if they have inclination towards interiors or architecture, they should take it. कैसा होना चाहिए ये?
Okay, so the fee structure is it's a little more than the normal usual, but it's around 2 lakh rupees per semester. We have like 4 semesters, and this is just the educational. To be precise, it was 189. To be precise, but your overall, say, like you do models and this and that. So summing up to that, you can say add 30,000 also, because the quality of models are to that extent.
Yeah.
Also, why I would recommend this course was because it's not really only interiors, and what I personally thought that it kind of broadened my horizon about understanding and perceiving design as such. Because when I think since I'm from Bombay, and it kind of helped me channelize my design aspects in other ways. So, and you get to the most important thing is you get to interact with people across the country. So there's a lot to learn from one another, apart from what you're learning from the course. So in that way, I think it kind of made me to take up this thing. Also, we have this thing of designing something and then kind of executing it in the workshop as well. So that is something that I really learned, and then I found this hidden thing in me that I like building stuff also. So probably that also helped. And like I personally would kind of
recommend people to join.
people. Also, what I would like to mention is IMEAD as such, I think mine was like the last batch, but they still have this option. If you take MID, you still get to do one. It's upon the person whether he wants to go international. Then they kind of send you international for 1 semester. So so you get to do that also. So doing MID also, you can get like 1 semester. For me, it was mandatory to do, but now since a lot of people, kind of even MID people want to do it probably, so they are also encouraged for 1 semester to go out.
So overall, it's a great
Good.
experience, and something very different to learn.
Yes.
And
very hands-on also, you could say.
So guys, ये था पूरा gist पूरे कोर्स का, कैसा था कोर्स एंड हाउ हर एक्सपीरियंस वाज. लाइट ख़त्म हो रही है एक्चुअली, नहीं तो थोड़ा और एक्सटेंड कर सकते थे हम लोग. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू कि हाउ आई नो हर इज़ लाइक फ्रॉम माई फर्स्ट जॉब. जो हमारी फर्स्ट जॉब थी वो एक्चुअली हम सबकी फर्स्ट जॉब थी. And we have Andrea also over here. Hey Andrea, come now. Here she is, very pretty Andrea and Rutuja Sawant. इन लोग दोनों बचपन के दोस्त हैं और हम लोग सब एक साथ.
ओके भी आर्किटेक्ट
ठीक है, ये सब डालने वाला हूँ मैं, पता है.
मैं देखूंगी आता है कि नहीं तेरे वीडियो में.
डाल दूंगा ये.
एक क्रॉप करके फिर मेरे YouTube चैनल, मेरे पास YouTube नहीं है.
ठीक है. Anyways, so these were all my colleagues and now they are very good friend of mine and ये लोग बकबक करना बंद करेंगे ही नहीं कभी. They are still doing that.
You know, I hope you're going to crop all this, Saran. This is very embarrassing.
No, it's okay. So anything you would like to say?
No, I don't want to say anything. This is put me on a spot. You can go to my Instagram account.
What is it?
Andrea.m.queen.
So yeah, you guys can follow her and anyways, it was a good experience today. First time ऐसा terrace पे आके we are chilling and बचपन के दोस्त मिले हैं तो पागल जैसी बातें तो करेंगे ये लोग. So guys, I'll take a leave. Have fun and have a great day. Bye bye.
Bye.